Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start with comprehension. Comprehension is actually a kind of you can say a paragraph, and you have to read it carefully. You have to go through it once or twice, and from this paragraph you have to take out the answers of the questions which are usually given at the end of the paragraph. I have taken one paragraph for you. I am going to read it and then I will tell you how to take out the answers from the paragraph. Like Hazrat Khalid bin Walid Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was extremely kind-hearted and just to the people. His army had strict orders not to do any harm to the farmers, aged persons, women, children, and other civilians. They are the real strength of society, he said. They should always be treated with kindness and respect. This was something new for the conquered people, who felt very happy now. The Iranian and Byzantine officers were very hard on them. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid's treatment won their hearts so much that they began to hate their cruel old masters. So students, it is the paragraph, and we have come to know that it is about Hazrat Khalid bin Walid. Now come to the questions. First question is, how did Hazrat Khalid bin Walid treat the people? Well, when we start reading the text, we can say that the answer will be from here. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid was extremely kind-hearted and just to the people. So it is the answer of first question. What were the orders given by the army? And the answer will be from here. His army had strict orders not to do any harm to the farmers, aged persons, women, children, and other civilians. Right? Third, what did he say about the farmers and civilians? Again, you have to extract the answer from the paragraph. Like, they are the real strength of society, he said. They should always be treated with kindness and respect. So the answer third will be from they to respect. How had their former masters treated them? The Iranian and Byzantine officers were very hard on them. The answer is from the Iranian to hard on them. So in this way, if an extract or paragraph is given to you, you can easily read it once or twice. Then you have to take out the answers from the paragraph. So it is very easy. Now